Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a Java to Lua converter can be a complex task due to the differences in syntax, semantics, and paradigms between the two languages. However, I can provide a basic tutorial to help you understand how to approach this task, along with a simple example. ###overview. 1. Understand the differences. Java is a statically typed, object-oriented language, while Lua is a dynamically typed, prototype-based language. This fundamental difference means that not everything can be directly translated. 2. Define the scope. Decide what features you want to convert. Are you focusing on basic constructs like variables, control structures, and functions, or do you also want to handle classes, interfaces, and complex data structures? 3. Parsing Java code. You'll need a way to parse Java code. You can use libraries like Antilra for this purpose. 4. Mapping Java constructs to Lua constructs. Create a mapping of Java constructs, like classes, methods, and data types, to Lua constructs. 5. Generating Lua code. Write the code that will take the parsed Java code and produce Lua code according to the mapping. ###step-by-step example. ###step 1, Java code example. ###step 2, parsing Java code. For simplicity, let's manually parse this code. In a production scenario, you would use a Java parser library. ###step 3, mapping constructs. Here is a basic mapping. Public class name rightward arrow class name equals. Public static void main, string args, rightward arrow function main, args, end. System.out.println, rightward arrow print. ###step 4, generating Lua code. Using the mappings above, we can convert the Java example to Lua. ###step 5, conversion code. Here's a simple Java to Lua converter in Python, for demonstration purposes. ###output. When you run the above Python code with the provided Java example, the output will be ###conclusion. This is a very basic example of converting Java to Lua and does not cover many important aspects such as error handling, complex data structures, or Java libraries. A full-fledged converter would require a more comprehensive approach, potentially using parsing libraries and a robust mapping strategy for more complex constructs. ###further steps. 1. Expand the mapping, include more Java constructs such as loops, conditionals, and error handling. 2. Use a parser, implement a Java parser to handle more complex Java syntax. 3. Testing, write test cases to ensure the conversion is accurate. 4. Performance, optimize the translation process for larger code bases. This should give you a solid starting point for creating a Java to Lua converter.